Manufacturing is a balancing act. From demand forecasting to defect management, every step must work in harmony to succeed. Tranxact.AI's plan-to-produce process ensures precision and efficiency at every stage of production. Start with accurate demand forecasting. Tranxact.AI uses predictive analytics to analyze market trends, historical sales, and inventory levels, helping you meet demand without overproduction. Boost production yield by optimizing schedules and resource allocation. AI simulations improve overall efficiency and output. Enhance overall equipment effectiveness with actionable insights into availability, performance, and quality. Empower operators to maintain peak efficiency. Minimize defects with real-time analysis. Tranxact.AI identifies patterns and recommends preventive measures, reducing waste and improving product quality. From planning to production, Tranxact.AI empowers you to deliver efficiently, reliably, and with uncompromising quality. Predict demand, optimize output, ensure peak equipment performance, and reduce defects. Tranxact.AI makes manufacturing smarter and simpler. Transform your manufacturing with Tranxact.AI. Precision in every process, success in every product.